In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple displays in Windows 11. If you've just connected a second monitor, or even more than 2 screens, Windows 11 gives you a lot of control over how they behave. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the key settings so you can set things up in a way that's comfortable, productive, and easy to use. First, make sure all of your monitors are physically connected to your computer and powered on. Use the appropriate ports on your device, like HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, or VGA, and double-check that each screen shows a signal, even if it's just a blank desktop for now. Next, we'll open the main place where you control everything. Right-click anywhere on your desktop and choose Display Settings. This opens the Settings app directly to the Display section, where Windows shows each connected screen as a numbered rectangle. If you're not sure which monitor is which, click the Identify button. A large number will briefly appear on each screen so you can match them up. Now, let's arrange your displays so that the cursor moves naturally between them. In the Display Settings window, you can click and drag each monitor icon to match the physical layout on your desk. For example, if your second screen is placed to the left of your main laptop screen, drag that rectangle to the left side. Take a moment to line them up vertically as well, so your mouse doesn't jump up or down unexpectedly when moving between displays. Once the layout feels right, choose how you want Windows to use your screens. Scroll down to the section that controls multiple displays. Here, you can select options like Duplicate these displays, which shows the same content on each screen, or Extend these displays, which gives you a wider workspace across monitors. Most people working with multiple displays prefer the Extend option, since it lets you keep different apps on different screens. You can also choose which display is your main one. Select the monitor you want as primary, then check the box that makes it your main display. This is where your taskbar and most apps will open by default. Finally, adjust resolution, orientation, and scaling for each monitor, so text and images look sharp and comfortable to read. Once everything feels right, apply your changes, move a few windows around, and test your setup. That's it. You've now learned how to manage multiple displays in Windows 11.